Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine and safe. Today we are learning primary mathematics of grade 1 with second edition. So let's start our chapter number 1, which is numbers to 10. Students, you can see here a picture of cupboard. There are different shelves of toys. In first shelf you can see here robot toys, teddy bears, caps, toy cars, books, crayons, bags, bottle, balls, and last dolls. Student, here is a question. How many balls are there? So let's move to lesson number 1 to solve this question counting to 10. In focus, we are arranging these balls according to their size for easy solution. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 balls. So let's again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are writing 7 balls here. 7 balls. B-A-L-L-S. Ball. So let's move to page number 2. Let's learn. Count the things in the cupboard. Student, we are counting each and every toys according to sequence or number wise. So first there is one bottle. One bottle. One bottle. 2 bags. 2 bags. 1, 2. 2 bags. Okay student, let's count crayons. 1, 2, 3. 3 crayons. 3 crayons. Let's count caps. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 caps. There are 4 caps. Okay, let's count teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 teddy bears. 5 teddy bears. 6 dolls. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dolls. 6 dolls. Let's count number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. 7 balls. Okay, let's count robot toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 robot toys. 8 robot toys. Okay, let's count number of cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 toy cars. 9 toy cars. Let's count books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 books. 10 books. Okay, come at question number 2. How many monkeys are there? Question is, how many monkeys are there? कि आपके पास यहाँ पर कितने monkeys हैं? Student, you can see here 4 pictures. Okay, let's count in picture A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 monkeys. 3 monkeys are hanging on tree. Last 4 monkey is on the ground. There are 4 monkeys. There are 4 monkeys. In B, let's count how many monkeys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 monkeys. 3 are hanging on tree and 1 is on the ground. But the monkey on the ground says, the tiger is coming. Run. In picture C, there are also 4 monkeys. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 monkeys. But in picture D, there is no monkey because the tiger come. There are no monkeys. Now the number of monkeys is 0. Okay, let's move to page number 3. Question number 3. Count back from 10 to 0. Question क्या है आपके पास? Count back from 10 to 0. आपने backward counting करनी है कहाँ से? 10 to 0. Okay, let's count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's count again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's backward counting from 10 to 0. So there is a practice. Question number 1. Count the eggs. Student, you can see here a bowl. There are eggs present in this bowl. So let's count how many eggs are present in this bowl. 1, 2. 1, 2. So we are writing here 2. In second bowl, let's count the number of eggs. 1. 1. There is only 1 egg. So we are writing here 1. But in last bowl, there is no egg. That's why we are writing here 0. When no egg is found in this bowl, so we are writing here 0. Question number 2. Look at our national flag. Count. Students, it's our national flag. It's our national flag. Our national flag has two colors, which are green and white. Green and white. A crescent and star. A crescent and star. It's our national flag. So there are 3 blanks here. 1. Our national flag has dash colors. Our national flag has dash colors. Let's count. 1, 2, which are green and white. 1, 2. We are writing here 2. Second blank. Our national flag has dash star. Our national flag has dash star. So let's count the number of stars in our national flag. 1. There is only 1 star. So we are writing here 1. Okay student, let's move to blank number 3. Our national flag has dash crescents. Let's count the number of crescents present in our national flag. 1. There is only 1 crescent. Crescent means half moon. We are writing here 1. Question number 3. Which set matches the number? Question is, which set matches the number? कि यहाँ पे आपके पास 3 सेट्स हैं. वो कौन सा ऐसा सेट है जो इस नंबर से मैच कर रहा है? और वो नंबर क्या है? 3. क्या है वो नंबर? 3. So let's count the number of balls present in each set. In set A, let's count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this matchable to 3? No. So we are moving to next set. Let's count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is matchable to 3. So we are matching this set to number 3. Okay student, let's move to page number 4. In focus, there are 5 apples. There are 5 apples. So let's count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do we write 5 in words? Student, there is a question. How we write 5 in words? We're writing 5 as F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5, which is in words. Let's learn other numbers as there is 1 watermelon. There is 1 puzzle piece. So we are writing here 1. O-N-E 1. Let's count the number of lemons here. 1, 2. 1, 2. And there are also 2 pieces of puzzle pieces. 1, 2. 1, 2. So we are writing 2 in numbers this. And in words, T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Let's count the number of strawberries. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's count puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In words, THREE3. THREE3. Okay, student, let's count the number of oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And puzzle pieces 1, 2, 3, 4. FOUR4, which is in words. Let's count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And puzzle pieces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are writing 5 in words as FIVE5. FIVE5. Now we are counting the number of bananas here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we are counting the number of puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In words SIX6. SIX6. So come to next page, number 5. We are counting the number of kiwis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the number of puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are also 7. So we are writing here 7 in words SEVEN 7. So let's count the number of pears here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count the number of puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are also 8 in numbers. We are writing 8 in words as EIGHT 8. Now we are counting the number of tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 puzzle pieces. So we are writing here 9 and in words NINE 9. In the last, we are counting the number of cherries. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cherries. Let's count the number of puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cherries. TEN 10. Students, now it's activity time. I will explain this activity by performing it. Let's start. Here we have 4 pupils. Pupil A, pupil B, pupil C and pupil D. Each pupil has 3 cards. Pupil has 3 cards. These cards have counting in numbers. Pupil B has 3 cards. These cards have counting in words. Pupil C has 3 cards. These cards have dotted numbers. Pupil D has 3 picture cards. Now Pupil A shows a card. Pupil B finds the matching card. Pupil C will also throw a matching card. And now it's time for pupil D. He will also find the matching card. Oh yes, these all cards are matching with each other. So you can see here, counting in numbers, 3, digit is 3. Counting in words, THREE3. There is a card which has dots, 3 dots. And last one, these are picture card. Isn't it interesting? So let's play again this activity. Now it's pupil B turns. Pupil B shows a card. Pupil A C and D also throw matching card. No, A, C and D ask why the matching card is special for B. Because B has two brothers. I hope you enjoyed this activity and perform it at home as well. Now come to the last question. And question is practice. Count, show in numerals and in words. Student, you can see here different sea animals. So let's count first. Seashell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are writing here 7 in digit and 7 in words. S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay, let's count. Start page which are in red colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are writing here 4 in digit and 4 in words. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. So we are counting brown start page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are writing here 6 in digit and now 6 in words. S-I-X 6. I hope students you have understood this lesson and you will do practice in your registers. Thank you.